Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed decisions about your beauty products. Today, we're diving into the LuxuriaPro 35,000 RPM Professional Nail Drill, a powerful tool designed for both professionals and at-home nail enthusiasts. If you're looking for a drill that combines power, smooth performance, and convenience, stick around because I'll break down everything you need to know. The LuxuriaPro nail drill is built for high-performance nail care, boasting an impressive 35,000 RPM thanks to its 85-watt brushless motor. But what does this really mean for you? Essentially, it gives you strong, consistent power for shaping, filing, and buffing nails with minimal effort. Whether you're using it for a quick at-home mani or performing professional-grade nail art, the high torque ensures smooth operation. This tool is designed to make even the most intricate tasks effortless, which is something to appreciate if you spend a lot of time on your nails. Now let's talk about the design and functionality. One of the standout features is the ultra-smooth, quiet, and vibration-free motor. With minimal noise and virtually no shaking, this drill makes long sessions much more comfortable. You can use it for extended periods without feeling that annoying hand fatigue that other drills can cause. And if you've ever used a nail drill that shakes or vibrates, you'll know how frustrating it can be, so this is a huge plus. When it comes to battery life, the LuxuriaPro does not disappoint. The 2500 mAh rechargeable battery lasts 8 to 10 hours on a full charge, which is impressive for a tool with this much power. The best part? It only takes about 3 hours to recharge. This makes it an excellent option for nail technicians who are on the go, or for anyone who wants a cordless experience without constant interruptions. Operating the drill is intuitive thanks to the Smart Play pause control. You simply press the button to start and stop, which makes the drill incredibly beginner-friendly. On top of that, you've got the variable speed control and a reverse switch, so you can fine-tune your settings depending on whether you're filing, buffing, or shaping. As for durability, LuxuriaPro has got you covered with Smart Overload protection. This means it's built to handle intense use without overheating, which is especially important if you're working long hours. And let's not forget about the acetone-resistant finish. Any nail tech will appreciate this feature, especially when spills are inevitable during those long sessions. Let's look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, the LuxuriaPro nail drill is extremely quiet and vibration-free, providing a smooth and comfortable experience. It's also versatile with its variable speed control and reverse switch. The long-lasting battery and quick charging time are other clear advantages. On the downside, while the tool is highly powerful, it could be a bit too much for those new to nail drills, but the ease of use counterbalances this to some extent. So, does this tool justify its price? From my perspective, the LuxuriaPro nail drill offers excellent value for money. It's packed with professional-grade features, a durable motor, and a battery life that ensures it won't let you down during busy nail sessions. Compared to similar products on the market, its combination of power, quiet operation, and smooth functionality make it stand out, especially for those who need a reliable, long-lasting tool. For anyone seeking alternatives, there are cheaper nail drills, but many of them won't have the same level of quietness, power, or battery life. If you're on a tight budget, there are options that will work for you, but they may require more maintenance or be less user-friendly. The LuxuriaPro is a top-tier investment, but if it's out of your budget, something like the Melody Susie or Manicure drills might offer similar functionality at a lower cost. To wrap it up, the LuxuriaPro 35,000 RPM Professional Nail Drill is a fantastic tool for anyone serious about nail care. It offers strong performance, minimal noise, and a user-friendly design. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced technician, this nail drill will meet your needs without causing discomfort or frustration. It's an investment that I can see paying off, especially if you're someone who works with nails regularly. If this review has been helpful to you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching Beautyistic, and if you've used this product, Drop a comment below to share your experience with the LuxuriaPro nail drill. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.